Elmo.
Maybe you should arrange a little introduction for him to the Queen of Trash.
Queen of Trash? But nobody ever escapes her dump.
Stop the movie! Ernie!
What's the matter now, Bert?
Oh, this is not good. Huxley is being mean to Elmo. It's just not fair.
Yeah.
Why would anybody be so mean to our little Elmo?
Well, gee, Bert, maybe Huxley just hasn't learned how to share yet.
Well, Ernie, do you think he ever will?
Maybe, Bert. I sure hope that he does, don't you? Now, come on, Bert, let's go find out what happens to Elmo.
Okay, good, great. Ernie, problem.
This way, Bert.
Elmo didn't know it took this long to get his blanket back. Oh! Sorry, Mac. This whole area is closed for construction. Huh? Yeah, bring it in, boys.
Slow.
Stop. Nice work, Charlie.
Thank you.
See, we're putting in a new tar box, because there just ain't enough of those places around when you want a nice latte. But Elmo has to go that way to get to Huxley's house. Hey, look. You're making me fall behind in my work here. But you look like a good kid, so I'll tell you which way to go. Follow me. Okay. In order to get to Huxley, you gotta go down a path, through the dump, over there. Really? Well, thank you very much for your help. You're very nice. Nice? You think I'm nice? Yeah, very nice. Thank you. You're welcome. He hugged me.